Good morning. Who remembers this guy? Buff, innit? We're back in Oakwood. We pulled off here a while ago, actually. We was waiting for the porcelain to arrive, which it's been in stock for about 4 days now, but what's he doing? I'm putting water on it. So yeah, we were waiting for the porcelain to arrive. That was down in a port in London. They've got like 4 ports around the UK, it's paving traders. It's finally come back up here. So we are up here sorting out this little area. Porcelain, Pergola, and then them 2 sides there, and there are going to be lat fencing and then a little extra lat fencing to follow on from that fencing there across there. Hence why them panels are backwards, so we're not wasting a panel. Next door neighbour benefits from it, even though she's an absolute melt and moans about everything. No matter, you stand and what, you stand there, you miss a plant, you stand there, you miss, ooh, watch me plant. I know, that's why I'm stood there. You know, that sort of woman. God, his glasses are wrecked. God, they're just proper wonky. I said this in yesterday's video. So yeah, we're down here. We was starting that big job. I'm going to tell you later on in this vlog what has gone on with that. I'm just not getting my name dragged into dirt, and I've agreed with the client and I've agreed with my subcontractor as well about just all sorts of stuff. So I'll chat about that soon, but we need to get on because big man is doing an important job here. Let me show you. So there's water in the turn this radio off. So there's water in the hardcore because it's been down a while, and that gets rid of the dust, gives it a bit of compaction. When it whacks, it goes rock hard. There were a guy who worked for me a few years ago, and he showed me that, and I was like, oh wait, whatever. So we did it, we watered it, whacked it. Next day come in, absolutely rock hard, because it hadn't rained in Leeds for about 3 weeks now. I think it's due to rain on Saturday, which it'll be nice because I'm decorating all this weekend, so that'll be nice. But guys, I need to get a mix on because I'm labouring again, and I have been smashing out these steps. I just need to lose some weight somehow, but other than getting some steps in, I don't know how to lose weight. So, catch you soon. How not to mix slurry when you don't have a stirrer with you for the drills. We have about 25 of them, and guess what? None of them are here. Tom, show us your tattoo. Can you see yourself? Look at his neck. Oh man, it's just a hunk in it. Look at my shitty tribal I got when I was 18. Anyway, let's get mixing. In mixer. You've got to put the sleeve on. Yeah. Settle on, mate. You carry it wrong way, man. So, excuse my attire, but I'm disappointed in that video. Why didn't that work? Seen it where it just, you can see the gobbo's staying with the camera, so the camera must be turning with the cement mixer, you know. And it just didn't work, but I'm gonna give it another whirl next week when we've got time. 3-day week next week. I'll have loads of time. I'll be well in holiday mode next week. So we have got the little bits sorted out, corners, angles, it's square now. It's just there we've got 50mm lat going across the hedge and the back fence there, so we've got more posts to put in. So I'm going to mark them now for when Tom's here tomorrow, because I think we've got about another half hour left. Oh my god, chill. Leeds. But yeah, how nice is this weather? Anyone else get a tattoo when they were 18-year-old and absolutely hate it now? Yeah, I've got a bit of pencil mark off at Porcelain there, but yeah, chuffing hate it. I need it covering up. But yeah, we are 1, 2, 3, third row in now. And it'll be like another 2 before it starts reducing on the angle across the back. So it's all nice, But guys, I'm gonna go get some marker spray even. Mark these posts for him so then he can leave the posts out tomorrow. And then on Monday, Tuesday, bank holiday, Tuesday we can go put them back in. Catch you soon. Calculator. 3.5 divided by 1, 2, 3. Divided by 3. 1.5. 1.46. So down there you've got obviously 1, 2, 3 posts there, so you've got 4 posts across that back, which will be like 1 lat going across like that section over there. Overkill the posts, because if they sag and the customer rings you, you've got to take it all down to get round back. So like there, 4 posts in and then 4 posts round back. Just see either side of Tom actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 down there as well. It's always best to overkill. Just like I say, don't sag. Later on, come past and you see this saggy fence. No worse, is there? Put your name on that one. So, overkill. I tell you what, this shade is well nice. Typical Brit. Moan about it being cold. Moan about it being sunny. There's this little fella. So I'm home. I just had to shut down then because my wife is watching Coronation Street on ITV3 and she's in about 2005, something like that, something ridiculous like that. So what I was going to say to you, Porcelain, Tom is going there tomorrow. He's going to not finish it off because there's posts to go around for, what do you call it, Pergola. So he's just going to leave them out so we get them all right and do it together. Excuse me. And then obviously it's bank holiday, so next week is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm away on Friday for a very, very long weekend. So it's quite a big push next week, but that needs finishing. What else was I going to say? Harrogate job needs to we need to re-quote it, basically. I think somebody's bought a postcode, they bought a big house. There's 3 houses on the street that's for sale for like between 1.1 and 1.7 million. Massive, massive place. Theirs isn't worth that. It's not a big detached one, it's a semi-detached, but I think they've overdone the budget. So we've gone in for a big budget, a big quote, and now they're saying, well, we only want it doing up to this section, and we only want it, and then what about this and this and this? So that's why we pulled away, because the developer who we're working for is not happy at all. He is not happy at all. So I don't want them to have fallen out, but I don't want to be the person in the middle getting dragged down with that. You know what I mean? I ain't fallen out because I'd like them, in a way, I'd like them to get rid of the developer and then just come at me, because then I'm on that street. There's nothing more than me wanting to park my van on that street and get houses on there, because there's two houses getting built and there's potential for doer-uppers as well, so you just want to get on that street. But I don't know if you noticed, in yesterday's vlog I did when we went drone up, we were doing it with developer, we went drone up, and where the car is, behind the house behind, they've got a glass garage, and there's 2 red covers over 2 cars. Now I wonder if they're for ours, but why would you have a glass garage? Isn't that a bit showy off here? I think so. But guys, I'll keep you up to date with that house. It's gonna go on for a couple of weeks, so that'll just be happening behind the scenes, and then I'll let you know when we get there, sort of thing. But I shall see you later. Leeds Burnley tonight, so by the time we've watched this, hopefully we won and we'll be safe from relegation. But yeah, have a nice weekend, and I'll see you all on Tuesday, 8 o'clock sharp.